Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Smoky Mountain RC. Pilot Trav here, getting ready to take up the Freewing F86 Sabre, Jolly Rogers. Oh yeah, awesome plane, guys. You've been following me doing this. I've been doing some adjustments and stuff and moving the batteries around. So running the 5,000 smart pack. We also got the Sky D in it. This is one of my last planes that I have. The Sky D actually works. I updated all my other planes. I updated to the new 20 channel radio and the new AS3X Plus and all that. I mean, the Sky D works, but it doesn't send any data to the remote. And this is the only one I haven't updated. So we still have the Sky D on it, so I might as well run it. All right, guys, here we go. Here we go. And I'm telling you, that AS3X Plus, it's locked down. You can definitely tell the difference. It's crazy. Look at the elevator for you now, guys. Look at that. It's crazy. If they're running a 5,000 smart pack. Let's go and do a speed run, guys. We'll go with the wind. You know how I like to do it. I like to do the max speed instead of just average. Everybody knows what it'll do, average. You know, it'll... Alright, guys, here we go. All kinds of elevator authority. There's a touch and go. Flaps coming down. Got a direct wind down the runway. This thing's sweet, guys. I like it. I have to say I don't like it as much as the FMS one, but it's still pretty sweet. It is, it is. Road's good. It's just a slow pass. And just one more speed run down the road. And we'll land there probably. Alright, guys, here we go. Snap it. Alright, guys, just a slow pass, check the gear. Oh yeah. There we have it, guys. In a minute, we'll check the let's check the GPS right quick. 106.4, guys, so not bad, not bad. You know, that was a little bit of tailwind, but get to where y'all can see it. 106.4, 309 feet. Awesome, 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 guys. Yep. Anyway, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all want this plane, there'll be a link in the description. If you just click the link, it'll take you directly to Motion RC right on this page for this plane. If you want the tail frame to go with it, there'll also be a link in there too, guys. It helps support the channel with no extra cost to you, nothing like that. So don't have to worry about anything extra. But till we do it again, stay fine and God bless. Don't forget that like, share, and subscribe button. Bye.